Hi there, economics students. I'm going to give you just a really quick introduction to your virtual field trip assignment. This is worth assessment points, so that will be very good for you. It's a very fun one. Most kids really enjoy this. So you're just going to read the instructions below for the virtual field trip, and this time we're looking not at the San Francisco Federal Reserve Bank, but the one in Philadelphia. So you're going to first go to the Philadelphia Federal Reserve Bank. You're going to click on the virtual tour, and you're going to follow Money in Motion all the way through to the end. Okay, and then then you're going to follow your virtual field trip. You're going to go through that, and you will be kind of sharing your findings. Okay, I want for you to be able to explain how the Fed operates, why the Federal Reserve is important, what should all people know about the Fed. It's kind of interesting that most Americans really don't know how the Federal Reserve Bank works, and they don't know very much about it. So now you should be able to tell me what other people should know. Okay. You are also going to explain what you found most interesting on this virtual field trip and explain how a group would set up an in-person field trip to the Federal Reserve Bank. Okay. And then you will be reporting on your field trip by choosing one of the following options that demonstrates your learning. You have option A over here. Write a 500-word minimum report about your findings. You're going to create a Microsoft Word document using double spacing and submit to your instructor, me. Please try and follow that MLA format that I'm sure is ingrained in you now. And then option B is to record a 2 to 3 minute podcast on your findings. Submit that audio file to Canvas as an attachment or to the assignment, okay? Or as to the assignment. Oh my goodness, I can speak today. Have fun. It is a good assignment, and I like to see what you guys think about it. All right? Talk to you guys later.